In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to your Xero account, streamlining collaboration, and ensuring your team can work efficiently together. Whether you're new to Xero or have been using it for years, this guide will help you securely invite others to view or manage your financial data, all in about 5 minutes. First things first, head over to the Xero homepage. On the top right corner of the page, you'll spot a login button. This is your gateway to accessing your account, so go ahead and click on it. This action brings up a prompt asking for your email and password. Take a moment to enter your credentials carefully, ensuring accuracy for a smooth login process. With your details filled in, click on the login button to proceed. Once logged in, it's essential to navigate to your specific organization within Xero. If you manage more than one, make sure to select the correct one to share access to. You might already be familiar with this step, but for newcomers, this is a critical point. By clicking on the name of your organization or the designated link on your dashboard, you'll be directed to your organization's unique space within Xero. From here, our next destination is the Settings menu. To find it, look for a gear icon or a link named Settings. It's usually located prominently to ensure ease of access. Clicking on this will lead you to the administrative heart of your Xero account, where numerous settings can be modified to match your business's specific needs. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice a section labelled Users. This is exactly where we need to be. Clicking on Users will open the list of current people who have access to your Xero organization. To invite a new user, find and click on the Invite a User button, usually evident on this page. This action opens up a form where you'll enter the invitee's personal details. Speaking of personal details, accuracy is key. You'll be prompted to enter the invitee's name and email address. This information must be precise, as it will be used by the invitee to accept your invitation and gain access to your Xero organization. Double check for typos before moving on to the next step, which is to set permissions. Choosing permissions is a step where you define what the new user can see or do within your Xero organization. Xero provides various levels of access, from read-only access, which lets users view information without making changes, to full administrative rights, which allow users to view, edit, and manage all aspects of your account. Consider the invitee's role in your organization and select permissions that align with their responsibilities. This ensures they have the tools they need to contribute effectively while maintaining the security and integrity of your financial data. After selecting the appropriate permissions, it's time to send the invite. Review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct, then click on Send Invite. This will generate an email from Xero to the invitee, containing instructions on how to accept your invitation and gain access to the organization. Remember, once an invite is sent, you'll have the option to resend or cancel it if necessary, until the invitee has accepted. And that's it. Those are the steps to sharing your Xero account with another user securely. This process not only broadens the capabilities of your team, but does so in a manner that keeps your data safeguarded. After sending an invite, communication with the new user is crucial. Ensure they have received the invite and understand the extent of the permissions granted. Occasionally, emails can land in the spam folder, so reminding them to check there can be helpful. And here's a final tip: regularly review who has access to your Xero organization. Over time, roles change and some users may no longer require access. Keeping your users list current is an essential practice in maintaining the security of your financial information. Thank you for watching this guide on how to share your Xero account. Remember, managing financial data effectively is pivotal for any business, and with Xero, collaboration becomes a breeze. Make sure to follow these steps diligently for a seamless experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical insights. Here's to your business's success and the smooth management of your financial operations with Xero.